Today we are going to look into the health risk of 5G. Everyone is talking about how 5G can give you 1 Gbps, 2 Gbps, and theoretically it can even give you 10 Gbps. But everyone is overlooking the fact that 5G as of today is a potential health risk. There are some things that even reputed scientists are warning us about, and this is something that we need to look into. Before you implement 5G, these are things that they have to solve. I hope that they will solve it, but these are the things that they have to solve. So every day on this channel you have a different theme. Today is random, and I wanted to give out this information because I think it has to see the limelight. Many people don't know about the risk, and I need to get this out there. Welcome to TopEvt, the best place for you to grow your business and improve your life to become the top achiever that you want to be. This is me, Jamie. Now, the SAR values on your phone, you see that high-end brands have less SAR values, and nowadays most of the brands have good SAR values. How are these SAR values calculated? You might be thinking that it's calculated by how much radiation comes out of the phone when you're holding it to your ear, but they calculate it 1 inch away. That is, they tell you that you have to answer your phone like this. Keep it 1 inch away and not touch your face, not touch your skin. So the SAR values are calculated from this distance. No one answers their phone like this, or no one answers their phone like this. So that is the reason why you still have headaches when you answer your phone. When you are on the phone for 1 hour, 2 hours, you get a headache. That is the reason why that happens. If you're like me, you have to take a lot of phone calls. If your business depends on it, then what I would suggest you do is you use a headset, and not a Bluetooth headset that has its own radiation. So I used to use a Bluetooth headset. I stopped. I use a normal wired headset. A good quality wired headset will serve you well. So now let's come on to the topic of 5G. How does 5G work? 5G works on a bandwidth that is higher than LTE speeds, that is your 4G speeds. Okay, so how does it work? It uses something called sub-millimeter and millimeter waves. If you have heard this before, some of you who have done your engineering, electronics engineering, they have read about this. The sub-millimeter and millimeter waves are actually so high that it can penetrate through skin. It can even go through objects, organic objects. That's where the risk is currently. So a lot of reputed scientists have already said that that is a potential risk. It is similar to microwaves. These frequencies are similar to the microwaves that are emitted from a magnetron in your home microwave. So something similar to that. So these are really high frequency waves, and scientists know that they penetrate your skin. We don't know how risky this is. Nobody knows it as of now. Now the plan for 5G is they are going to put small antennas. 5G has to have line of sight. So it cannot be transmitted like your normal 4G is. So you have to have the normal line of sight going on at that time. The plan is that they are going to put a lot of antennas, like every street corner, every place is going to have a small antenna, and these antennas are going to be all over the place, and that will give you the 5G signal strength. That is how it works. The problem is, as it has already been proved that the millimeter waves and the sub-millimeter waves have the potential to be absorbed by the skin, and that can cause things like cancer, radiation cancer, things like that. So long-term exposure can lead to these things. That is a health risk. In fact, the US government has actually weaponized this same technology. So already this has been weaponized. So how this weapon works is it will shoot out a wave that will be penetrating 1/64th of an inch of the skin. So you are going to have immense pain. The funny thing is that the US Department of Defense has been testing this since 1980s. Now, this is the program that we know about. We know that many other governments are already developing systems similar to this. They have named this Active Denial System, ADS. So using this, what they will do is they will give you a 2-second burst of heat of 130 degrees Fahrenheit on the skin. So you will feel as if you are burning or something is happening to you, and it will be immensely painful. And this is used as a non-lethal way to control crowds, or that is the potential idea behind it. 5G has the potential to become immensely powerful when it comes through, but as of now it has these shortcomings. We hope that the scientists and the brilliant minds of the world are able to sort this out and don't rush implementing 5G just for the speeds. Speeds are good, but if it comes at the risk of health, that is not good. If you have any comments or suggestions or questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to talk to me directly, WhatsApp on the number in the description and my assistants will set up a phone meeting with you. And 30 minutes is going to cost you 1000 rupees. Like, share, subscribe. This has been Jamie for TopEvt. I'll see you in the next video.